Bugün biz Dreamliga cheat oynayımız. Bugün bizde Lucha adamlar var, bir Alpares degan bir komanda өте мықты ekan. Олар дейтін бір ұпай алса ұтады дейді. Енді біз оны ұтамыз. Тұстарымыз бастаймыз. Басталды. Ramos. Need to defend well here. Passing the ball really well. Showing too much to the opposition now. Ronaldo. Kesinlikle kırılırsa alırız mı? Ronaldo aldı. Kesinlikle aldım. Klibi aldım. Jadi tangkep gaya boy pas. Şimdi Yarın daha çıkarır mısın? Şuradan çalıyoruz. Kesin savunmaya kaldık. Tutar kesinlikle. Savunmaya aldık kesin. Гол, кубок голландцев достал. Кубок. Золотой кубок. Золотой, да. Фронтару говорит. Altında. Biz de kadar adamlarımızı kapatacağız. Götürümüzler. Osman oynuyoruz. Biz қазір бұл фонды қатайтамыз.
Bu cheat.
Unsurprisingly, there's a huge crowd and a big competitive
İstanbul
as
Bugünden
well
var.
with this lineup. So we're on. Which way will this game go? Played wide. Passing the ball really well. Well timed.
Şimdi
Can they make something of this? Defender regains possession.
Bunlar Ronaldo game
Try
batır.
and break. Sends it
Messi
forward.
jigit batır. Messi jigit batır.
The cross comes in. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Good clearance there. Salah. He should have been on
Bu
target.
yerde azdırıp kutay kaldı.
The weather conditions are absolutely perfect. We could be in for a real treat today. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Corner kick now. And that's into the box.
Bunu biz özümüzün korkak kaldık. Onlar da jigit batır. Biz salas. Salas bu. Takanca kasına var vardı. Yakında. Git.
Ronaldo shoots.
Gol.
He's a fantastic goal.
Neyse.
So it's 1-0. He should have been too much to the opposition there.
Şimdi de
The keeper collects
bakalım
that
işte
one.
koyduk.
Well timed. Reading really well there. Defender regains possession. And that's well wide. Salah.
Kişimiz de daha
Eases
değil.
the pressure. Spreads the play.
Parodin.
Well.
Parodin. Çocuklar bizim bir bastırdık.
So the referee blows the whistle and the second half is underway. They want to add to their lead here. Good ball. Messi. Oh, look at that showboating. Passed well. Oh, he must score. Well timed tackle. Should have been too much to the opposition there. Neymar. And he's winning back for his team. Messi. Got to admire skill like that.
Tabii golümüzden
That's great determination. Cleared upfield. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. It's a throw-in.
kişimiz
challenge there. Salah. Ronaldo. Oh, the keeper's blocked it.
Gitti biraz hayali aldırdı.
To see that
Bravo.
save again. Gets the header in.
Ye gol. Ama kafadan bulması kıymetli.
Should have been two. He goes for goal. Good save.
Kişinin de tüyümü yok
No
mu?
cards yet from the referee.
Sık battırmıyor.
Defenders are looking for his hole. Here's Messi. He got a good hand behind that. And that's lofted upfield. Defenders back on the ball. That's great determination. Well timed and good defending. A goal now will change the game. There's still time to salvage it.
Стартование.
They won it back. Shoots.
Kişinin de
Let's see how close that one was to going in. And we're into stoppage time now. And it's full time here. The game settled by a single goal. They've got the
kişinin
lead. The
vurur.
keeper's
Bırak
had
duruşu
eyes
tamam.
open today. That's why he's the team.
Start.
Videomuzda
Ayaktayız.
ayaktan sağlık arkadaşlar.